Hello everyone! In today's video we are doing the Year 5 Area and Perimeter End of Unit Assessment. For this video you will be needing a pen and a piece of paper. After each question please pause the video and attempt the question, then press play to see the working out and solution. So let's begin. Question 1. What is the perimeter of this shape? Now to work that out we need to add up all the lengths of this shape, so all the way around. This is a rectangle, so the opposite sides are equal the same. This side is also 17 centimetres and this side is 5 centimetres. We're going to add all of it together. 17 plus 17 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, we know that's 10. 17 plus 17, 7 plus 7 is 14, 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, the 10 that we had before, 34, plus 10 gives us 44 centimetres. Question 2. What is the area of this shape? Now, because this shape is a square, that means that all the sides equal the same length. So if this side is 21 centimetres, so is the rest of them. To work out area, this is our formula. Length times width equals area. The length and width of this shape are both 21. So we're going to times them together. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Put in our 0 in our digit space. 2 times by 1 is 2. 2 times by 2 is 4. We're going to add them together. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. Nothing plus 4 is 4. Our answer for this question is 441 centimetres squared. When we're talking about area, it's centimetres squared. You need to remember to write that in, or your answer won't be correct. Question 3. The perimeter of this shape is 71 metres. What is the missing length? The missing length is the one with the question mark on it. We're going to start off by adding up all of the sides, then taking it away from 71. 19 plus 11 is 30. 8 plus 2 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. We're going to add these up. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. Now we're going to take that away from 71. 71 minus 50, we can do this mentally, gives us 21. The missing length equals 21 metres, remembering our units of metres. Here we have two shapes and we have two questions for this one. Question 4. Which shape has a greater perimeter? We're going to start off by working out the perimeter for this shape. Because it's a square, all the sides equal the same length. So we're going to be doing 7 times by 4 to get our perimeter. 7 times by 4 is 28. So the perimeter for this shape is 28 centimetres. Now for this shape here, it's a rectangle. So this side is 10 centimetres. And this side is 3 centimetres. 10 plus 10 is 20. 3 plus 3 is 6. 20 plus 6 is 26. So the perimeter for this shape is 26 centimetres. And we can see that the square has the greater perimeter. So that's our answer for question 4. Moving on to question 5. Which shape has a greater area? To work out the area, 7 times by 7 is 49. 49 centimetres squared. And for this one, 10 times by 3, 30 centimetres squared. So which shape has the greater area? Well, it's this one with 49 centimetres. So for both of the questions, the square had the greater perimeter and the greater area. Question 6. John wants to paint a wall. The wall measures 18 metres by 5 metres. Each tin of paint covers 8 metres squared. How many tins of paint will John need? We're going to start off by working out the area of the wall. So 18 times by 5. 5 times by 8 is 40. 5 times by 1 is 5, plus 4 is 90. 90 metres squared is the area of the wall. Now we need to divide this by 8 to find out how many tins of paint we will need. 90 divided by 8. 8 into 9 goes once with a remainder of 1. 8 into 10 goes once with a remainder of 2. 8 into 20 goes 2 times with a remainder of 4. 8 into 40 goes 5 times. So we need 11.25 tins, but we can't have 0.25 of a tin, so we need to round it to 12 tins. We can't have 11 tins because that won't be enough, so we're going to have an extra tin. That brings us to 12 tins. Question 7. A rectangle has a perimeter of 20 centimetres and an area of 24 centimetres squared. What is the length and width of the rectangle? We know that the area is 24 centimetres squared, so we're going to write down all the factors of 24. We've got 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, and 4 and 6. We're going to imagine that these numbers are the length and width of the rectangle. We're going to start off with this one. We're going to work out the perimeter. Well, if 24 is the length of one of the sides of the rectangle, it's already bigger than 20 centimetres, so this can't be our answer. Moving on to the second one. 12 plus 12 is 24. Now that's already bigger than 20 centimetres, so it can't be that either. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 3 is 19, plus another 3 is 22. Now that's bigger than 20 centimetres, so it can't be that one. We're left with these two, 4 and 6, but we've got to check that it's right. 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, plus another 4 is 20. So this is correct. Our length equals 6 centimetres and our width equals 4 centimetres. Question 8. This triangle has a perimeter of 21 centimetres. The same triangle is used to make this shape. What is the perimeter of this shape? We're going to start off by working out what each side represents. We know that the perimeter is 21, so if we divide that by 3, we can work out the length of each side. 21 divided by 3 gives us 7. So each side is 7 centimetres. Now we're going to add up how many sides this shape has, and then we're going to times it by 7 to get our perimeter. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We've got 11 sides to this shape. If we times that by 7, which is what each of these sides are, we get 77. That means the perimeter of this shape is 77 centimetres. Question 9. What is the perimeter of this shape? To work out the perimeter, we first need to work out what each of the sides of this shape equal. To work out these two, we're going to do 4 minus 2, which is 2. We know that these two, if we add them together, we get 2 centimetres. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So each of these little sides is 1 centimetre. And because this is a rectangle, we know the opposite sides are the same. So this is 2 centimetres, and here is 5 centimetres. So on this side would also be 5 centimetres. Now all we have to do now is add them all together. 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5. We've got 5 and 5, that gives us 10. We've got 2, 4, 6, plus the 4 gives us 10. And then we've left with 1 and 1, which gives us 2. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 2 is 22. The perimeter of our shape is 22 centimetres. Here's our last question. Question 10. What is the area of this shape? This shape is the same as the shape we had in our previous question. We can see that it looks like there are 2 rectangles. If I draw my dotted line down here, we've got 1 rectangle and 2 rectangle. To work out the area of a rectangle, we do the length times the width. So we're going to do the same thing here. 4 times by 2 gives us 8. 8 centimetres squared is the area of this rectangle. Now for this one here, 5 times 2 is 10. 10 centimetres squared is the area of this one. Now we're going to add the areas together. 10 plus 8 gives us 18 centimetres squared, and that is the area of our shape. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, share and subscribe for more maths videos. Click the bell button below to receive notifications on when I post new videos. Also, please comment down below on what videos I should make next. Bye!